Welcome. This is my oral project from English 5. Uh, Andean Area University Foundation, Faculty of Engineering and Basic Science, Industrial Engineering. I am Oscar Enrique Rodriguez Goiz. New Zealand. The country what I did choice is a New Zealand. Uh, the story of a country start in 1642. Dutch navigator named Abel Jansson was the first European um, to reach Aotearoa, and therefore the first that touched New Zealand lands. From that moment, the island begins to receive the name New Zealand, and the population of New Zealand were approximately 125,000 inhabitants. And at the beginning of the 19th century, the Europeans began to create the colonies, uh, and the populations began to increase. All this occurred especially in the Bight of Islands. Culture of New Zealand. We can see the images, the culture of this comes from the ancestors such as the indigenous people, uh, or this type of civilizations from which this type of art is common to see in, mm, on the museums or tourist cities where cultures such as the Maori can be seen. New Zealand cuisine. In these two images, we can see some of the typical dishes that are offered in New Zealand, where the cuisine is mainly based on a rich cuisine. Since the colonists imported certain elements from the cultures that were from there. In these images, we can see roast hogget and hangi. New Zealand tourist attractions. Begin the fourth country from the Iberian Peninsula. New Zealand is one of the countries that has most developed nature, which is why its landscapes, mountains, rivers, and biodiversity in general is a very good attraction to promote tourists, where it has parks like Evil Tasman or mountains like Milford Sound. Product that allows the approach to the culture. Okay. Introducing to the culture translator. The innovate product is similar to a cell phone, since it has internet and series of applications that will help us during the trip to know to the behavior of the country where we are going with clear and precise information on what has happened since the civilization was discovered. This terminal, as we want to call it, it has the language that the user speaks and the language of the country where he's going for. Better understanding when interacting between cultures so that there is not confusion and scams be false tourist guides. Thanks for the attention. I am Oscar Enrique Rodriguez Goes. Thanks.